Problem number 24 is a great opportunity to review some vocabulary. So leading coefficient is going to be your coefficient on the largest exponent. So here's a coefficient would be if you have 4x to the third, your coefficient is what's in front. And then your degree is the exponent power. The key is to put this in order from your biggest power to your smallest power. The number at the end would be your constant. Let's say you have 7 all by itself. That's a constant. There is no variable attached to it. It's not asked here, but it could be relevant in a different problem. So let's just take choice 4 for example. I would rewrite this as 4x cubed plus 1x squared plus 2x. It says which one has a leading coefficient of 4. Here's our leading coefficient of 4, and a degree of 3. Here's our degree of 3. That looks to me like it works. So leading coefficient of 4, degree of 3. Now, I'm the kind of person that always checks the others, and I can see, all right, well, right now I have a degree of 4 here for choice 3, so I need to rule that out. For choice 1, I also see a degree of 4, so I can rule that out. For choice 2, I see a degree of 3. That's my highest one. So if I put this in order, I have 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1x plus 4. So that would be not a leading coefficient of 4. That has a leading coefficient of 5. So again, you knew right away that 4 was your choice, but it doesn't hurt to rule the others out, especially if you have time, just in case you have messed something up or misread. Perhaps it was one of those where it says not, and you just didn't close read. So double checking is not a bad thing.